Hello viewer, welcome to my channel. This is Imran Khan Ratin. This is my first video on Bootstrap and I am gonna make a series on Bootstrap. In every video, I will show different Bootstrap classes example. In this video, I am gonna show how to add Bootstrap into our project. So let's create an empty project. Select ASP.NET Web Applications. Project. Give project name. Okay. Select empty. Okay. First, we need to download Bootstrap script and CSS. So let's open browser and right here Bootstrap download. Select first one. Compile CSS and JS. Click on download button. Let's extract files. Okay. Here we can see the CSS and JavaScript files of Bootstrap. Rename it Bootstrap. Now copy this folder, open our project, right click on project name, paste. Okay, done. Let's see these Bootstrap files are working or not. Let's take an HTML page. Next. On header part, I'm gonna link Bootstrap script and CSS file. Take bootstrap.min.css and from JS take bootstrap.min.js. Now I'm gonna take a div class container. Container is a Bootstrap class. I'm gonna take a button class btn primary button 1. So from here we can see that Bootstrap is working. Here container and button primary is Bootstrap classes. Let's run this script. Okay, Bootstrap is working. In my next video series, I'm gonna show you different type of div examples using Bootstrap. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then please like, comment and share, and obviously subscribe my channel for new video tutorials. Thank you.